Alright, today we're going to unbox the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So the box is pretty small this time around because you don't get the charger or the earbuds. You get your cord and your phone. So this is the blue 12 Pro Max. And it is a tad bit bigger than the 11 Pro Max. So I'm going to set that up and I'll be right back. Alright, so I got everything set up. A couple things I wanted to point out. So here's the new iPhone box. Next to what is considered now the old iPhone box. I mean, there's a pretty big difference in size. So what they didn't tell you with the press release is that if you didn't buy last gen iPhone 11 and you don't have a brand new computer that supports C, you will have to buy the additional C brick just to charge your phone. So with the new ones, you don't get the brick, you don't get the earbuds, and they really don't pass the savings your way. So definitely something to point out. And if you bought them at Best Buy, for example, it's about a $60 difference than what came with the last gen's box. So you don't get those, and you don't get your USB-C power brick. So besides that, we got everything set up, ready to go. It's not just the bezel that's different with the two phones. It's actually noticeably taller. Let's see if we can get a good side by side. Yeah, it's pretty fair. So you can see the 11 Pro Max right there on the left, and then the 12 Pro Max here on the right. And it's definitely, when they're next to together, you can see the difference. Everything feels just as smooth as it did before. Everything's pretty quick. Yeah, you see the 12 is definitely quicker. If I can get this down and fit in the same thing. So that's about it. If you guys want an updated review, let me know. I'd be happy to do so. And then as far as the case, it's outer box symmetry on both phones. With the 11 Pro Max, I went with the green color, and then with the 12, I went with the Pacific blue, which is definitely beautiful. Thanks for watching.